everyone. I cannot believe it's Christmas already. Welcome to my Christmas tree. Today is Christmas Day, December 25th, and it's the last day of my Advent with Nancy. It's Christmas Day. Yesterday, we didn't do a yarn ball for today, but we sent each other 30. We gave off the 30th. We gave off on Christmas Day. But she's done with her blanket, her scrap blanket that we were doing the scrap exchange with because she made bigger squares. Mine is not done, but I'll show you what it did. I did put the original. I do have most of the squares in, and this is what it's looking like. So it's not going to be huge, but it will be big enough. And I've really enjoyed doing that. I hope you, there's been several that have participated with us. I hope you all have enjoyed watching. I'm going to make this short but sweet. I do want to plug that I am giving away a Sophie's Universe book. We're starting this in January. Anybody that wants to participate and you want a book, don't have one, want one. If you already have one, don't enter, please, because this is for somebody that doesn't have one already. But it's in a couple of videos ago. I did put giveaway in the title so you guys could find it easy because I don't remember which one it is. And you just put in the word Sophie in the comment. But go back and do that. Watch the video, do what you need to do. And like I said, if you already have the book, please don't get a second one. There's, unless you're entering for somebody else, like your daughter wants one or whatever. Because let's give somebody else a chance that wants to make them and can't afford the book. So I'll be drawing that on the 1st. And you'll get it through Amazon. So I want to plug that real quick. Yesterday on Christmas Eve, we had our family Christmas, and I want to insert a little video of my granddaughter opening her teddy bear. I did give her both bears, but she only opened one in the gift, and then she opened all of the all of the accessories, all the clothes. It took a while. But I'll just show you her getting the original bear out. I gave her Terry in the bag, and then Tanya later. She named them Bella and Violet. Bella is the one that I called Tanya, and Violet is the Terry. So Terry's new name is now Violet, and she did pick out a couple more outfits. Nothing huge. Mostly she wants more shoes. I'm like, okay, we can do shoes. So that's pretty fun. But I will insert that at the end because I don't know how to insert it in the middle. But you'll get to see her reaction when she opens the bag. And this gift was dated. It was supposed to be opened December 1st. Did you see that? Sorry, Nance, I never saw that. It was at the end of the box. So I'm going to open it on Christmas instead. So let's just see what we get. Let's see. Stay. Something soft and squishy, but kind of skinny for yarn, so we'll see, unless it's a hand dyed or something. Nope. I think it's clothes. It's probably a Christmas shirt I was supposed to have been wearing the whole month. Oh my goodness, look. It says Merry Christmas. Oh, see, it is a Christmas shirt I was supposed to be wearing all month. Oh, I'm going to throw it over my t-shirt. Just on a quick note, on Christmas, we go to my son's house, my oldest boy, and it's Jammy Day. Because we do the big Christmas at my house beforehand, so it's like we eat leftovers and we just open presents if there's any left, like the kids open their presents in the morning before we get there, but if there's any leftover gifts that we didn't open or whatever, those do get opened, and her side of the family and my side of the family, we both get together and it's just very relaxing. Maybe have a cup of eggnog and play with the kids' toys and just, you know, no work. It's a no work, stress-free holiday. And we wear Christmas jammies. Last year's jammies, I think, were the black and red. This year's jammies are, it's a plaid with blue and green. But this will look really cute over my red. I wore a red t-shirt to go with my plaid jammy pants. So I think I'll throw this over and that'll be so cute. Even if the plaids don't match, who cares? So that's what I have for you today. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in a video tomorrow. I hope everyone has a happy, safe, merry, warm Christmas day, and as I said, I will see you in a video again tomorrow, and Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, bye.
So this is mine. I'll let you open it. Yeah, I'll let her open it. What is that?
Well, it's coming apart in pieces. It's coming out in pieces.
It's from Grammy.
Oh my gosh, thank you, Grammy.
What is
It's
it?
so cool. It's like so many yarn things.
So many yarn things?
Yeah.
Just grab the brown and pull it.
Clouds.
Yeah. Auntie, grab the bag from her.
I know what this is.
What is this loveliness that matches you? Oh my
Those are her
goodness.
Those are her boots.
Oh.
Yes, thank you, Grammy.
Look at this. You match. Abe, let me see. Show Grammy first.
Look.